everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Michael of Planner Time with Michael. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of a recent Planners Anonymous purchase that I made. I actually decided to subscribe to Planners Anonymous because I have been watching Judy with JLB Crafts for quite a while now and watching her unboxings, and I really like their products. What I did is, this is my actual first subscription to it, but I think it was Black Friday. I went ahead and I bought several of the pass kits, and what I did is I used, I think these envelopes, these zippered envelopes came from Walmart, and I used my labeler, my Peach Hutch labeler, to just put the name of the kit on there. I'm not going to do an unboxing of this, but I just wanted to show you how I stored it. So I'm going to do the same thing with this. So let's get started. I cannot wait to open all of this goodness. As you can see, I didn't even open it yet because I wanted to do it on camera. So let's just see what we got here. Okay, so let's open all of this. Now, when I subscribed, I did the kit plus the additional paper pack plus the additional sticker pack. So, let me open this there. All this juicy goodness, y'all. Ooh! Okay, so, see, like right here, this is, I hope this is on camera. This is the standard pack. So you get this along, I believe, with this stationery kit. And then, in addition, I added the sticker book and the additional paper pack. So just so you can see, if you do the normal kit, it comes with this. And then I added on the additional paper pack. Oh, look at that, beautiful. And the additional sticker pack. So let's open up this goodness. Let's go to this kit. Let's go to the kit. Ooh, this is so exciting, y'all. I'm so excited. Like I said, I've been watching Judy with JLB Crafts, and I have grown to love their, you know, when she does her unboxings. I love, oh, wow, that came right off. So, what you get is, let's just, I'm going to put all this to the side because it's a big messy mess right now. And you do get 3 washi tapes. The name of this kit is, what is it? It's called Pretty Posy 2. So you get 3 washi tapes. I hope you can see those. Let me open these. Okay, so I went ahead and I opened the washi tape, and you get 3 sizes. This, you know, this bigger one, this, I call this like a standard size one, and then the smaller one. I hope you can see these. But these are a really pretty washi tapes. So you get 3 washi tapes with it. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. Then you get this, oh, what is this, like a notepad? I think you always get, like, there's a different thing each month. Oh, look at, like, a sticky notepad. These are so cute. Look at how cute those are. Sticky notes. Ooh, I love it. Okay, you get that. You get this beautiful pen. It has the, I don't know if you can see it, but it says Planners Anonymous right here. And the beautiful gems inside of it. And it's just a standard, I believe, yeah, ballpoint pen. But you get this gorgeous pen. Love it, love it. You get a set of stamps, which I want to try getting more into stamping and using them in my planner. Okay, there, I kind of zoomed in so you could see it better. But here is the set of stamps that comes with it. And like I was saying, I really want to try using stamping more in my planner. It's not something that I've done, but I do want to get started with that. It's kind of like all those things where you buy all this stuff and you say, oh, I'm going to do it. I want to do this. I want to do that. and then nothing happens. But I really like those stamps. So those stamps came with it. And then there are several die cut. I believe these are die cut stickers. And let me open this goodness. And let's take a quick gander. And then you get the, ooh, lordy, look at them all fall out. Okay, so then you get, this card was in there. It says, grow your tomorrow. And it's double-sided. It's so pretty. Like, you could even cut this up or just put this in your planner like that. Or put it like that. Really pretty. And then you get a whole bunch of these. I believe these are die cut. Are these die cut? Yeah, see, these are die cut stickers. Just gorgeous. Like all of these pretty stickers. The little bee. Oh, that's really pretty. The bike. This box to write in. That's pretty. These are really, these are really pretty. So glad I decided to do the subscription kit. And so those are pretty. This watering can. These boots. All of these flowers. The pansy. I put it upside down. Primrose. So all of these fancy, these really nice, beautiful artwork, beautiful colors. I'm really impressed with it. Okay, so you get all of those die cut stickers, and then you get some, I believe, some sticker sheets. So let's open up this, and let's see what these stickers are. I promise as I do more unboxings, I will get better at filming them. I don't film a lot of unboxings, so I'm not quite used to it. But you get, in this one, you get the paper sticker versions, I believe, of these. Yeah, see, like this, only smaller. So here's one set, and then here's another. So I could redate a week if I wanted to, or I could use this in a monthly. That's really pretty. These are really pretty. I love the colors. I love the artwork. Really, really nice. So that is that. And then let's go to the standard. This is the standard paper kit. So let me open this juicy goodness up. Okay, and let's take a look at this. Oh, aren't those florals beautiful? The colors, the artwork, just gorgeous. And you get double-sided. So it looks like you get 2 sheets of this. And then this, the back of it looks like that. Or the other side, I should say. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. And then, ooh, look at this. This is so pretty. You could put this, like cut this, put it in your planner. And you could write above here, put boxes, and there is the back side of that one. So you get 2 of those. Beautiful. Oh, look at how cute. All the flowers. I'm assuming those are the seeds. I'm assuming. Beautiful. I love this. Oh, and the back is that beautiful green. Oh, so pretty. So far there's 3 different designs. So 6 of these. And then this is like, is this the vellum? I believe this is like vellum paper. Oh, it's so cool. And it matches this. Oh, so pretty. I absolutely love this. And then you get this clear acetate. It looks like it has gold foil on one side and the silver foil on the other. How beautiful is that? Oh, that is so pretty. Just, oh, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so that is the standard. And then I, of course, have to, buy the additional. So let's open up this one. Okay, so here's the additional paper pack. Again, gorgeous. Just, I love the florals, all the bees around it. And then the opposite side, oh, gorgeous colors. Beautiful, beautiful. I hope I'm doing this justice in this unboxing video. These are just, oh, they're stunning. Okay. Oh, look at how cute, y'all. Look at how cute. I don't even know. Like this. Maybe like that. Oh, how cute is that? I could do like a bee theme spread. And this is the back side of that one. How stunning is this? And then, oh, so cute. This would, I'd like to use this as a planner cover, but I don't think it would look right like that. But this would look really nice, maybe cutting it and using this in a planner spread. Oh, let's see what the other side is. This color, gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful colors, beautiful artwork. Oh, like I keep saying, stunning, and I can't help it. And then another piece of the vellum, and then another piece of the acetate with the gold foiling and the silver foiling. So that is just beautiful. I'm so glad I finally subscribed. Okay, so I have that, and then I think, last but not least, is the additional sticker pack. Okay, so I zoomed in, and this is just stunning. But look at this. Look at these beautiful stickers, the gold foiling, the gorgeous artwork, and the gorgeous color. Okay, so just beautiful, like a washi strip that you could use. All of these gorgeous stickers. Oh, look at these. They're so vibrant, these colors. Hope it's showing up properly on camera, but these are just gorgeous. You have these, oh, I forgot what you call these. But you have a lot of these girls. I'm not sure how many of these I will use, but they are pretty. And then more days, that you could cover the days if you want and put the numbers there if you wanted. Some habit trackers, functional boxes. You can form a scene with this. And then back to those bees. Just absolutely gorgeous. The plants. The seed stickers. Oh, I love this color. Well, who am I kidding? I love all the colors. Okay, you have some dot stickers that match. This is really cool. All of these florals, the flowers, the washi, like washi strips. Yeah, just absolutely gorgeous. To-do lists, functional boxes, all of these words this week, self-care, now, noteworthy, etc., the days of the week. You have these stickers, these gold stickers, these like little flags. Ooh, should have turned my phone off. And that is that. Absolutely stunning. And then you could even, you know, you could use this in your planner. You could take this off and use this for something like a dashboard or like a place to put Post-it notes. You could use this. So I am over the moon with this Pretty Posy 2 planner kit from Planners Annonymous. I think because I became, I subscribed to their kits, I think I may have a code that if I can find it, I can put in the description of this video to save you money. If I can find it, if I have it, I will try. But again, sticker book, all of these pretty papers. Okay, this set of papers, sticker book, the die cut stickers, the stamps, the Post-it notes, the pen, the washi, just absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous. I hope I did this justice, this Planners Anonymous kit justice in this unboxing. As I do more of these, I know I will get better at it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you want to see more of my videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It would really and truly help me out as I am trying to grow my channel. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these unboxings, because I may try and do these every month as I get the new kits. So thank you again for joining me today, and I will see you in another video. Have a great week, everyone. Bye-bye.